Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about solving systems of equations when the lines are not in slope-intercept form. So let's take a look. We've got these two systems here that we need to graph. When these are both in standard form, meaning you have the x and the y and then your c on the other side. So let's start with this first one. 2x plus y equals 2. In order to get this into slope-intercept form, what I need to do is get that y by itself. So I'm going to minus 2x minus 2x. If I do that, I get y equals, now I could say 2 minus 2x. I can't combine them. I can't say 0x because they are not like terms. So I could say like 2 minus 2x, but remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So I want to have that x term in the center. So I'm going to say negative 2x plus 2, plus that positive 2 there. This is now in slope-intercept form. Let's practice that with the second one. X plus 4y equals negative 20. Again, we want to get the chunk with the y by itself, so we need to move this chunk to the other side. We're currently adding it, it's positive x, so we're going to do the opposite, which is negative x. That gives me 4y equals, and again, I want the x in the middle, so I'm going to say negative x, and I could say plus negative 20, but let's just say minus 20. Now, that y is not by itself. I have to divide, because that's the opposite of multiply, each chunk by 4. Now, in order to get this next one, remember there's always a 1 in front of your variable. So what this really is negative 1/4 x minus 20 divided by 4. Negative 20 divided by positive 4 is a negative 5. Okay, so now that I have these two equations in slope-intercept form, I can go ahead and graph those. Let's start with this first one. Remember, we always start here at the end, 2. Our slope is whatever comes in front of our x, and remember, slope is written as a ratio, aka a fraction, and you can put the negative on the top or the bottom. So if I go down 2 and in the positive direction 1, and you want to really do this down 2, positive direction 1, down 2, positive direction 1, down 2. Now, slopes can always be written, let me finish my thought there. You really want to do this just so that you're doing the slope all the way across, okay? The other thing that you want to do is slopes can always be written two ways. We have negative 2 over 1 or 2 over negative 1. Like I said, it could be on the top or the bottom. The reason why is now this is up to and in the negative direction 1. Up to, negative direction 1, just like that. And like I said, you really want to go all the way across with your slope because otherwise you're going to get the wrong answer. Okay, now let's graph this guy. We're going to start at negative 5. That's right down here. Oh, and then we want to use a straight edge to get that nice line in there. You can use a ruler, or I just fold an index card in half, fold a piece of paper in half, something like that. Just really get that straight edge so you get the right answer. All right, this guy here, we're going to start at negative 5. Our slope again is negative 1/4. So again, you can write these as negative 1 over 4 or 1 over negative 4. So we'll start with this one. We're going to go down 1 and in the positive direction 4. So we're going to go down 1 and then in the positive direction 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's helpful. It's right there. Let's just keep going. Down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay, so let me go ahead and draw a straight line here. All right, kablam, here we go. That is where they cross. We have to identify that point. It's kind of small, and I'm sorry about that. But you can see that that point is over 4 and then down 6. So the solution to this equation is, or the systems of equations, is 4, negative 6. That's what you would write down for your answer. Great work, and I look forward to seeing you next time.